Recently, in the field of artificial intelligence, we are seeing a latest update. A new model is going very much popular. I hope so most of you are familiar with Tencent, and one of the top leading company of a Chinese which develop pretty cool AI models. So yeah, they have launched their latest model, which is Tencent Hunyuyan MT5, which is known for its low parameter model and which can be very much useful. I will discuss about the model. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I bring regularly AI related videos, so by subscribing you can be part of a new stuff related news related to artificial intelligence and latest LLM models, which can be helpful in your future. So yeah, let's dive into it. This is Hunyuyan MT1.5. Basically, this is a model of 7 billion parameters, and it is the latest model of from Tencent, and it is going very much popular because there are various types of features. When a model launch, it brings various types of crucial performance as compared to existing models with the various latest features. I hope so. If you are not familiar with the teens and this model, Hunyuyan MT15, earlier also they have brought this model, but this model helpful. First of all, I will discuss about this the benchmark of the model. After that, I will discuss what is the use case and why this model is very much helpful. This is a benchmark as compared to other LLM models existing with the competitors of this. For example, Google Translator or Baidu Translator. Obviously, you have understand that the special use case of this model. Basically, it is used for translating any type of languages into other languages for converting a specific type of languages, and it is pretty cool. In future we can see a real-time translation. But yeah, as compared to Google Translation where it is in a green color, I hope so most of you are familiar with the Google Translation, because in various use cases we prefer Google for translation stuff. But yeah, the blue color you can find the pretty cool benchmark of Hunyuyan 1.5 MT1.5. Basically, where the Google has owns the model, but the parameters of Google Translation model is very much huge because it has trained on millions of data set as well as million or billions of data set. But Hunyuyan brings a liability where we can find a specific type of benchmarks where the cost efficiency also reduce, and the model, if you deploy on any type of cloud hosting platform, which will reduce your cost up to very much, means at a various instant. Because if we compare with the Google Translation, they host and they deploy, they have their own cloud computing, so as compared to that they will cost you around various types of amount, because you have to pay for using the Google Translation in your own application if you are using for it real-time use case for your communication or any type of scenario in your application. But yeah, this Hunyuyan Tencent it has various types of features as compared to the Google Translation, because I hope so this model is 7 billion parameters, just 7 billion parameters, where the models around before models which are used for a translation, in the use case they were around one means around more than 7 billion only, around 20 billion something, as well as DeepSeek has their own. Google has one of the most popular translation stuff. But yeah, Tencent also has dived into the field of this translation, because this type of model, it is just a 7 billion translation model. They have 1.8 billion parameter model, which is very much really cool for reduce, because as compared to 7 billion parameters, you get a 1.8 billion parameter model, which can be very much efficient for your small type of use case. And if we talk about this model, it uses 33 language, sorry, and 5 ethics and dialect variation you can find there, they have written. So 33 languages it can do a translation stuff with various types of existing. You can easily interact with this any type of translation you can perform on with any type of language. They have specified the language, and this is completely open source model. So yeah, this model is pretty cool. You can visit this website of their own, Hunyuyan MT5. You can just search on Chrome, or if you want, I can provide the link in the description. But this model can be very much helpful for a small type of startup which are focusing on converting any type of real-time translation features without paying a huge amount to a cloud host platforms or like Google or Amazon. But yeah, this model is pretty cool for using a small type of use case with a 1.8 billion parameters. So yeah, I hope so you love this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and stay tuned with AI related videos as well as news. So next in another video. Bye bye, take care.